aggressive. I'm a generalist. Out about money long like trade smoke. You hear that? Gucci boss, your party shot brother. But the last time I come, wouldn't be from the world. Yo, I'm not Carolina.
You as a Carolina,
yo, I'm not Carolina. I'm coming from same thing in the dance.
Yo, bro. You want me heart. See? You are one of my inspiration in this business, you know. The whole Red Square crew. And what, yo, let me tell you something. You see this man right here, so this is my big brother. And for him and determined to be here, yo, it's definitely a privilege and an honor, man. Yo, Ozzy, you see who they are? Watch that. I told him, I said, big brother, you're not going to sing tonight, you're not going to do nothing while you come out. And we're going to enjoy with Earthstrong together. Right? Pisces and Aries are same thing, you know.
Coach Boss, don't know Askel, don't know One Family. Yeah man, BTV, One Love, more strength. Yeah, you don't know. Brother from another mother. Brothers from another mother. Askel, talk to them. Rastafari, bless them, brother. I'm going to here tonight. We're glad to come. We're enjoying ourselves. A beer woman there. All of the gangsters them there. Everybody fresh. It's a vibe. Bamba.
Ready? Big up Gucci Boss, Brianna Lee, L-E-E, underscore Instagram, big up Gucci Boss, one Brianna Lee. What? Brianna Lee, follow me on Instagram, Brianna Lee, follow me.
All the people that want Gucci Boss right now over here, you say, alright. Yeah, you man select how I heard the music. For those who don't know, this is Askel Red Square. Spread with General, anyway you stand up. Gucci Boss! And you're a thing with them. Brooklyn, Oakland, Detroit!
Look, you're scared.
Yo, Gucci, your thing up. We're there. We support your dog. The thing shot my youth. I'm glad to reach. I'm not Carolina, I'm come from being thinking of that. I'm there. So I say, Gucci Boss to the world. Loud. Oh, cloud.
Well, good night. The big happenings right here. Me and my boy Smooth, representing the house.
Whatever you say, we good. Nice. Promise.
Now, much respect from Talk of the Town family to you, Gucci. You know you have Talk of the Town family. Go and grow and keep growing. And we always respect and always show much love for you. But, you know, from my heart and all the Talk of the Town family around the world, we love you, man. Keep up the good work. Appreciate you.
everything nice, everything great. When I take life, make man out me, and the more the girl.
From Brooklyn, New York to Jamaica and around the Caribbean. This is what we can say from Talking to Town Radio right here in Brooklyn. We have Retro 70s, 80s, 90s Retro Party coming up on July 6th. I hope each and every one to come out and support. We're dealing with Afro hair, bell bottoms and kickers. So come out in the 70s, 90s and 80s. And remember, tonight, it's all about Gucci. We celebrating Gucci, the life. Celebrating right now. So enjoy.
Serious. Before we reach from this part here, Ozzy called and Ozzy Seychelles. You don't know. I'm here to hear a birthday party. You understand me? Big up to everybody that come out to support Ozzy and Gucci Boss. I'm not gonna lie. I'm opposite time that I feel like because I only for people that drop out for 1 day. You understand me? But if you're right here, if you're here right now, you celebrating life with Ozzy and Gucci Boss, everybody that wants to see you, put your glass in the ear for my brother name right now. Everybody put your glass in the ear for my brother name now. Look how young boy play music. Let's drink. What's that? People. Oh, young man. And let's drink. You're a champion. Be a soul, be a cranberry. Be a soul, be a cranberry. I'm a school warrior. I'm a school warrior. Alright then. Now you're not here next to me. It's in the way you feel. You're sexy. Hold on. Big up to all the proud mothers on the inside. If your mother one or two make some nice for your cute picnic right now. Listen, if your mother one or two make some nice for your cute picnic. Big up to the mother that knows it. You will never sell out your mother. And you will always put your mother first. Everybody will say mother love right now. Put up the mother here and make some nice for mama. Everybody will say mama love right now. You never switch. Put up that for mama now. See it? Big up to the whole of Lashport family, because the Lashport coming on. Because I have some people that come up foreign and get rich and bumble clock switch. Two them I drive Benz and Beamer and then friend their road and drive some Corolla and a Guyana and them thing there. Them things that them hype. All the people that I know see them bring money back and rice here. Tell them the money. Listen now, you come up party, you have some of them and things spread. Show me a drink Corona, you notice enough of them catch up over the next brother table because VSOP and champagne post the wall. You see it? You think something to come why? Tell them shit! So we sing in a number one can't stand in there and bumper clock spend them. Because if you better shopping, a real bumper clock you. Be a cheaper. What's your problem? Yeah. When I'm done now, the thing already. So guess where we are right now? We have an artist in the building.
We go from I don't get big Look, what is? Any Jamaicans in the building tonight? Jamaicans make some noise. Anybody representing Trinidad? Anybody representing the I produce the Republic of Guyana? Say so. Run it. Gucci boss, big up yourself. Gucci, big up yourself. Who we come from? Who we represent? Hey, we come from Guyana. Every day we start fire. We be laughing like fire. If I watch out too much, that get them mess us. That get one up in a fire. Carocas in a deep fire. One hand next to the bird, one wire. Everybody representing Guyana. Tell them what Guyana we come from the man. Who will sing it? Let me tell you about Batman Trees. Oh, let me tell you about Batman Trees. Just on my Batman place. Let me tell you about Batman Trees. Real Batman. What's the baddest place in Guyana? Let me tell you something about this place in Guyana, man. Hey, latest man, they tough like Leland. Burmese man, God knows like season. So tight to African man, them Mexican. Just so man, them bad in particular. Make up this from east and west, them in I should get you. Hey, East Coast and West Coast, them Caribbean, but they represent one place. Run the next song. Yo, Cash. Run the next song. Every brother ready to it. Every brother ready to it. Where we come from? So in the birthdays, where we come from? Hey, on the real one, melodies. People make up on themselves. That's not. It's not a show. The people want party. We just pass it through real quick. You see me? If you prove to me from down there, prove to represent the Caribbean, say, so. Come on. Street up, people. All the guys inside this is the place, big up Jamaican artists, large up yourself. Is it? You don't know Scottish, the real bad guy it is. And we right here at Gucci Boss and we'll see a birthday celebration in Brooklyn. Just come up this stage, do a party for my brother. Yo, Gucci Boss, Mostly, big up. Jamaica, Caribbean, Trinidad, Guyana, representing. Let me tell you about Batman, please. Guyana, Batman, please. Yo, it's loud, it's crazy, it's mad. Scottish representing. A song.
Are you still fucking that girl named Aisha? You still fucking that girl named Keisha? You still fucking that girl named Aisha? Mr. Frederick. Never mind the few names you call. I'm an ex-girlfriend there. But let me tell you this.
everybody? Yo, it is a pleasure. It is such a pleasure to see everyone here. This is what Real Some Good is about, you know. Right? You see, March the 30th and March the 31st is the day that we're here to celebrate me and my brother's birthday. Right? I'm waiting to bring them on. The people that want to start the party, somebody reach out at the door and call that gentleman right here. I cannot do this without him. See, and big up to everyone that's here tonight. I want to sing happy birthday to me. Are you going to do that for me? Hey, and yo, listen. Big Martin, I know Monday is the Holly Honesty Brothers. You understand? Everybody here to support Gucci and Ozzy. So, send them on inside this. Wait there. Send the man inside the man by the door. What was it? Hey man, play, drop a little thing there man. Drop a little beat. I tell them this road time. It is 14 time. I'm no one in front. When I'm on behind. I say road time. It is 14 time. I'm the one in front. Ladies, if your grudges never fail you yet, I want to cut your vagina. Ladies, if your grudges never fail you yet, I want to cut your vagina. I'm waiting on Ozzy. Take me down, woman, again. Tell them, say they don't know what I'm doing there. Hey, brother. Hey, no, I say, you not sing this song. I want to play the same instrumental. This is going to be epic. This is the Guyana. Big up to all the Jamaicans, Trinidadians, Asians, Asians, all my Americans. Big up by yourself. Right? But I ain't gonna play this Guyanese version of Happy Birthday. Let me go. Never. If you have love weed, watch the people there. I want to see everybody with love weed take your camera right now. Take your phone right now and shine a light on me right now. If I wish me blessings and prosperity, take out my phone and shine a light on me right now. I want to see nothing but light in this. Anybody when you shine in the light, jokes them and say, when you bad mind in them on this stuff. Everybody, shine a light, shine a light. Everybody, shine a light, shine a light, shine a light. Hear what you say? Happy birthday. Sing it. Happy birthday. Everybody say, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Level. Shameful. Shameful. Everybody will love me, put up your hands so that in here, let me see. Everybody will love us, put up your hands so that in here, let me see. You ready? Let me do it again. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sing it. Happy birthday. Say happy birthday. I thank you very much. I never perform one song. Yeah. And then say no matter the Bible here. I have promised you with me tonight. say I go, I see me that. When you have a look at when you bend over, she have a game with this new patio. One night, she fancies about being uncle. Bill see me and things I know. She gave me that she gave stuff to the most all when she started ignore you. Never see what she's about being uncle. See people go for the brand new. You start people and she a know. When she be like anybody but you, that's when you know say she have a big uncle, 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 she have a big uncle. Ladies, this one is the other woman name. Hold on there. Pablo G got to talk to the young man there. Because it's something going on the young man and get haggish. They don't want to talk to the ladies then in 2024. But I'm going to tell them, the young man is true. Doesn't seem like they don't have a clue. They never hear about the uncle. But I'm tell you about the uncle. Big uncle was food to ready. Fight your churches and KFC. When you don't have no time for shit. Big uncle don't catch your movies. Pay the bills and take the machine. Even she is soft flipping me. Big uncle got that of me. This don't have smart TV. So when you start up to my in, you know she can contact me. Big uncle can't take me. I can't get it up. That is one is the only woman there. Don't be mad. That is one is the only woman there. Don't be mad. That is one is the only woman there. Only woman there. This one is the only woman there. Don't be mad. Yes. Please give Pablo G a round of applause for the people. DJ, wait no, hold on to the silver. DJ, you say you get something for this? Oh, Scott, let me hear you, man.
When you can use the one and only. Only pass. Let me hear this. And every day now, you go get for me. Just look what I'm happy is the party now.
Gucci Boss, alongside the one and only Pablo G, the General.
Love, love girls in all this branch, yeah. Whoa, Gucci Boss party, you know, say it irie. Love good whisper we ends. Happy birthday, Gucci Boss. Big up respect every time. Big uncle in the place, you understand?
You see, this is a dynamic duo, you know. Guyana's #1 song, Big Uncle, Pablo G, Gucci Boss. You don't know. Yo, that was the song we are here. Big Uncle, Uncle, got this one is we. All the woman name them we like Big Man.
We like big man.
This one is we. All the woman name them we like Big Man.
We like big man.
Backside.
When we get to the next collaboration? When are we getting the next collaboration?
The next collaboration is coming soon. You understand? Listen, we are artists, we working. Pablo G, you understand, is pushing 2 brand new hits. Right? One called Save Man, one called Friends for Life. See? So, yeah, the collaboration with Gucci Boss, Pablo G coming, but we focus on Friends for Life and
I am the same man, original Ethiopian. Nothing's coming, you understand me? Big things happening. Gucci Boss and Pablo G. Yeah, man. What?
We looking for something hot and fresh. Exciting. You feel me?
It is going to be exciting.
listen, anything me in this body put out is scorching. Scorching. You know, we already talk about Big Uncle, right? So you know the phone call what Big Uncle does get?
Yes.
Big Uncle does get phone call like this. Big Uncle, did you know, I want no more. I feel cold and lonely. All the remotes run out of batteries.
So stay tuned for the fresh coming soon. You feel me?
Entrepreneur, mogul, millionaire. Big up Jamaica TV. We outside. Woo! Big up Brianna Lee. Big up Gucci Boss. You're crying, you're about to like.
Gucci Boss. We outside. That's what's up. City David, that's up. That's what's up. We shutting it down.
Real in this bitch, nigga. Real recognize real in this motherfucker.
Yo, it's 218.
Make up my boy Ozzy, you know. We got it.
Festival City. Yo, we outside.
barbershop. You don't know, we outside. We to the world right now. Right now. Girl John gone clear. Right now. Holy man. You want the team for Girl John Entertainment. We got clear. Me the one on Shark Boss. We outside.
So let's start shouting out to the barber. Ozzy, big up yourself. Special birthday. It's special. It's a great one. So big up my boy right here.
Big up Yolanda's Catering, right through Guyanese style. Anywhere you want it, you can get it. You want fried fish, you want fried chicken, you want jerk chicken, you want barbecue. Anything you want, you can get it. Fried shrimp, all inclusive. Fried rice, all type of rice. You can get cranberry rice, rice and peas. I can get beans and rice. Fried rice with cranberry, that is cranberry rice. Oh my lord. And then you have a little salad. No look on the salad, no look on the salad. So fried rice and I have so uno man. See the cranberry rice there, so. See the rice and the peas and rice so. As a Guyanese style, uno man. We can't talk about it. Don't look at that. Look at that. What is that? Barbecue chicken. Don't look at that. It's barbecue, baby. You want to see again? To it barbecue, it will well jerk. Mighty God. Wanna come now, wanna come on the side, look there now. Rascal, and I said them change. This is the barbecue. Right it, see jerk there. Well bro. Come over here so now. Instead of come over here so, a fried fish on the front end. Yeah, Yolanda's kitchen right there. So you see, we have fried fish on the market, pan time and time. That is Yolanda. Right through kitchen well prep. Watch there. Well prep. Anything goes, it shall. Yeah, right through. Yolanda's kitchen where everything has a guidance. Real guy, this fish. But real fish, look good. Watch good. Right there, son. I would say eat and clean and eat. What we don't do with eat. Right here we're doing where am I on the mic? Right now, you can see it. The function of one. Them are up on it. Big up BET. Rose and skirt. Jamaica. Who them man? BET Jamaica. Big up yourself. You know where I go. Big up one place. My mother buy. Tamara Goodas. Bar and Lounge. 971 East New York Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, 11212. Right through. We do everything, see for everything, and guess what? Look at my friend. Look at my friend, she fry everything from Guyana. Guyana style, you know. Watch them barbecue, jerk chicken, rice and peas. Right here is cranberry peas and rice. Vegetable rice, this is Guyanese style. Someone don't understand. I said fried rice here. Not even Chinese can make it a uno. We're not busy about the salad. Salad can't go on because see a salad we have, but we're not busy about that. Right here, right through, macaroni salad, uno, Yolanda's kitchen. Come and go. You can order and you can get it to go. You want delivery? Right here. Catering, right through. The anybody express say upset and don't come. Pretty, and we know say fool ourselves because we know how it go. Amen. Yahweh, no way.
I swear, this one was something, if you miss it, you should have been here. Girls Jam Entertainment, I want to explain something to you. The next thing is no underwear. Dev, talk about it, man.
It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be live. It's gonna be lit. To listen to this message, don't ever miss it. We're outside.
You know, no one they were crazy last year. This year gonna be, come on, Devon. What you say again? Crazy, right? Short Boss Shungified.
Yo, I don't know. This is Short Boss representing for Girls Jam Entertainment. No Underwear Part 3. This time it's Plan B edition. Ladies, you know, sexy summer, come out.
Lord.